Good morning. This is Bruce with Lap of Luxury Travel bringing you today's cruise and travel news. Our top story comes from United Airlines. United experienced a nationwide technology outage that disrupted check-in and boarding systems across the country. The issue led to significant delays at airports nationwide before systems were eventually restored. If you're flying this weekend, it's a good reminder to always check your flight status before heading to the airport. In Royal Caribbean news, Allure of the Seas experienced a major water leak on board that temporarily turned one area of the ship into what passengers jokingly called a new jacuzzi. While the videos quickly spread across social media, the cruise line confirmed there were no reports of serious injuries, and the crew promptly addressed the situation. If you're cruising to Santorini, expect some changes. The Karavolades Stairs, which connect the island's old port to the town of Fira, have been closed for repairs. Since most cruise passengers arrive by tender, the closure could mean longer waits and alternate transportation until the stairs reopen. In cruise industry news, Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings has announced it will sell Oceania Sirena following her spring 2028 deployment. The intimate 684-guest ship has served under several cruise brands since launching in 1999, and a buyer has not yet been announced. That's today's cruise and travel news. For help planning your next cruise, river cruise, luxury vacation, escorted tour, or once-in-a-lifetime adventure, call Bruce, Melissa, Jen, or Jennifer at 800-462-6807 or visit lapofluxurytravel.com. No planning fees. Platinum concierge service. Trip Overwatch. Because ordinary isn't an option,